Hey everyone, how's it going? So if you're like me, you guys cannot wait for the new Jurassic World Dominion movie. I know it's going to be coming out in a couple months, and I don't know about you, but I'm really excited for it. Now, I want to start drawing more characters from it. So one of the characters I thought that I would show you guys how to draw is going to be Baby Blue, or Blue's Baby. I'm not sure the name yet, but it looks like it's going to be pretty cool. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Blue's Baby, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right about here, and we just want to make a line that's just going to come up and down. And then we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up. Right inside of here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. We'll put a little notch in there, and then we're going to go back up again, so it looks like there's a little reflection in the eye. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down, and a little line that just kind of curves down here. Starting right here, we're going to make a little line that goes up and then comes down. Starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down. Then we're going to bring this back and bring it right to here. Then we're going to bring this line down and we're going to bring it out. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up. Then we're going to start back here a little bit and we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to curve around. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down for the nose. And then we're just going to kind of color it in a little bit. Now, Blue's Baby is going to have some small teeth in here, so we're just going to make some small sharp teeth along the top and along the bottom. A little line here. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down to here. And then right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down. Right back here, we're going to make some little lines that are going to go out and then down, just for the top of the head. We're going to make some bigger lines that are going to go down, and then they're going to come in. Down and then in. We're just kind of curving these along. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to add a couple little curved lines here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and down. And then we're going to bring it right to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down for the arm. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come out. And then it's going to come down to a point and up. We'll make another one that's going to come down to a point and up. And one more here. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we're going to bring it up here. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down. And we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and then over. And we're going to make a little line down here for the leg. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out to a point and then back for the toe. We'll do another one here and one more right here. The next step is to bring this up and then in. Then we just want to draw a line that's going to come up here for the back of the leg. Right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and in with a little line down. Now for this side we're only going to see 2 toes, so we just want to draw a line that's going to go down to a point and come back, and then we'll put one more here that's going to come back to this foot. The next step is to bring this line up to here. Now right here we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to curve it down to a point and then up. We'll do another one here, and then one more here. And we'll just go up and then over. Now starting here, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines. Next, we're just going to make a line that's going to come up and it's going to go out like this. Then we're just going to bring this line all the way back down, getting a little bit wider as it comes back down towards the body. Now I'm going to add a couple little curved lines on here just to show some wrinkles. And I'm going to add another little line or two right around the eye. I'm going to make a little kind of broken circle shape right here for some detail on the face. And a little broken line right along the top of the mouth and along the bottom. We want to add some curved lines right across all of the claws. And then always go ahead and put an extra line or two on there. We'll do the same thing to the feet as well. Make some lines come up. We'll also add a little tiny baby claw right here on Blue's baby. We're just going to add some little kind of broken lines right around the legs. And maybe some long broken lines down the tail. And some little lines right along the back too. Some right by the arms. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down and in, and another one here for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Blue's baby from the new Jurassic World Dominion movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.